Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry and the vectors. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the square in here. Let's say I will put point 8. That is about negative number 5, 4. Point B. That is about negative number 1, negative number 2. And the point C, that is about 5 number 2. So on the question, we need to find the coordinates of the fourth corner, that is about D. And then we need to find the area of the square. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to prove that the points lie at the three corners of the square. The first thing we need to find vector AB. So we have negative number 1 minus negative number 5. And negative number 2 minus negative number 4. So this one we will have number 4 minus negative number 6. The next one, that is about BC. So we have 5 minus negative number 1. And number 2 minus negative number 2. So this one we have number 6. This one we have positive number 4. The first thing we need to prove that the angle between AB and C, that should be about 90 degrees. So we use vector AB. We do about dot product with vector BC. And we see that we have number 4 multiplied by number 6 plus negative number 6 multiplied by number 4. And this one we have number 0. That means if you got number 0, AB is perpendicular with BC. That means the angle at B should be about 90 degrees. And the second one, we need to find the magnitude of vector AB and vector BC. So we have number 4 and negative number 6. We put this one cone here. Similar for the second one. We have number 6 and number 4. So if we calculate this one, we have number 2 with the square root of number 13. Similar for this one. So we have two conditions, the first one and the second one. We can see that they are same. So we can prove that 3 points in here lie on the 3 corners of the square, because the square choose 4 sides that should be equal. But we just rule about 2 sides here. They are equal, and at least one square, at least one right angle. So that means we can prove that A, B, C lie on the 3 corners of the square. Now on the question, we need to find coordinate of the fourth corner, that is about D. So the first thing, we know that AB is parallel to DC. So the vector AB will same with the vector DC in here. And we know that this vector DC go through the point C. So AB, we know that is about 4, negative number 6. And they will go to the point C, that is about 5, number 2. So we can find the normal vector DC. That should be about number 6 and number 4. So that is same with this vector in here. So in this situation, we have AS plus BY plus C equals to number 0. So we put number 6 gone here, number 4 gone here, number 5 gone here, and number 2 gone here to find the value of C. So we can find the value of C in here. So we calculate this one, and I will put this one go to the right. And we have C equal to negative 38. So we have the final answer, that is about 6x plus 4y minus 38. Now we go to D8. D8 is parallel to BC, so vector AD will be equal to vector BC because this is about parallel. So that should be about number 6 and number 4. So we find the normal vector ID. So that should be about negative number 4, 6. So we know that this vector go through the point A, negative number 5, number 4. So we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 4 and number 6 gone here. Negative number 5 and number 4 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we can find the value of C equals to negative 44. So we have negative 4x plus 6y minus 44 equals to number 0. So if we want to find D, we need to know that the intersection of this line D8 and DC, they will create about coordinates of point D. So we need to create the system of equations. So we need to find the solutions of x and y. So we have x equals to number 1, y equals to number 8. So the point D in here should be about number 1, number 8. And now the last one, we want to find the area of the square. So we just find this one in here. And now we have the final answer. And that is about 52. This is the end. Thank you for watching.